What's going on, guys? Pena here with another tour, and in this video we're going to be checking out one of our latest listings out in Socorro. This property features 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2-story, listed right under $240,000. With that being said, we're also going to cover 4 key components if you are thinking about buying a home in 2024. With that being said, let's dive deep. Thing you want to consider if you are looking into buying a house in 2024 is to know your numbers. This is extremely important because if you don't know what you qualify for, what your interest rate is, overall who you're going to work with, this could potentially cost you not only a lot of money, but a lot of time. Now, when you are considering buying a property, I always recommend at least shopping the rate with 3 lenders. This is going to ensure that you get the best interest rate, best customer service, and overall the best terms possible. If that is something that you are considering, definitely ask them, what is the rate you're giving me? And with that being said, you can also compare with other lenders to see what incentives they can do for you. Now, your second tip is to ensure that you're working with the right team. By this, I mean you want to really ensure that you are working with either a licensed professional, ensuring that you're vetting your real estate company, because if you just go to an open house and they have a lender on site, more times than not, they won't give you the best rate possible. By working with the right agency, you can actually have them connect you with a few lenders so that you can compare. Communication is super important in this process, guys. At the end of the day, it does not matter what numbers you have if you're not working with a team that's going to help you find the property that you actually want. This is extremely important to ensure that you have a smooth transaction. And if you have not checked out our video that is talking about key points when you are considering hiring a real estate agency, we'll leave the link down below so that you can check that video out as well. Now, step number 3 is going to be after you have got all your numbers taken care of, you're working with the right agency. Now you really want to ensure that you are finding a property that truly works for your needs. I've seen it countless times where lenders will try and send a client a few options, and at the end of the day, if you don't feel comfortable with what that monthly payment looks like, then there's no point in you looking at those properties. Or the agent will try and show them properties that are above their price point, and maybe that's something that, again, you're not looking to do. You want to ensure that knowing your monthly payment is going to be a direct correlation of the properties that you're looking at to save you time and to ensure you stay in that desired monthly payment. This is going to play a huge impact when it comes to how smooth your transaction will go so that there is no surprises at the end when you're ready to sign. step number 4, and this is super important in your journey, is to ensure after you have your numbers, after you know what agency you're going to work with, and now you've found the home and you are officially under contract, make sure that you know what kind of property you're buying. You want to conduct an inspection. You want to make sure you have an option period if you're considering going and actually requesting for repairs. If the seller does not agree to these repairs, you are still able to back out of the contract and get your earnest money. These are just a few key points that you definitely want to consider if you are looking to buy a property. With that being said, we will be linking down below a full title for one of our books that we recently published for our buyers. If that is something you're interested in checking out, click the link below. It is completely free. With that being said, we want to thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching this full video, and I hope you have a fantastic day.